growing adaptation of streaming platforms and the increasing demand for high-quality video content create a favorable environment for the Theta project. Today, we'll provide you with insights, analysis, and expert opinions on Theta and TFUEL's future price movements. Let's roll. Theta is a blockchain platform that is changing the way video content is transmitted on the internet. It uses decentralization technologies to improve video quality, reduce data storage costs, and optimize content delivery. This project aims to improve the video viewing experience and create new opportunities for users and content creators. At the moment, Theta takes 51st place in the CoinMarketCap rating with a capitalization of about $900 million. Over the past 180 days, the price of this asset has been in the range between $0.695 and $1.323. From the beginning of 2023, we are seeing the growth of the coin from the lower limits to the upper one by more than 90%. After that, there was a correction and the price continues to fluctuate within this range. Taking into account the trading volumes, we can assume that the asset is in the accumulation phase, where it has been trying to reverse the downward trend structure for a long time. When carefully analyzing the chart, we can see a recurring scenario that first appeared at the end of 2020 before the start of the upward movement in 2021. In this regard, it is possible for the price to go below 0.695, followed by the collection of accumulated liquidity during a long period of consolidation, and then a subsequent gradual increase with a breakdown of the upper limit of the price range of $1.323. After breaking this price level, the next target will be the resistance level at $1.689. In the future, we can expect a correction or a consolidation at the level, followed by an upward exit to the next price mark at the 2.284 resistance level. So what is in store for Theta's price in the coming years? Fast forward to 2025 and Theta could potentially be valued at $3 to $5 per token. This forecast is based on Theta Network's current market capitalization, which is around $1 billion. If Theta continues to develop and increase its popularity, this may lead to an increase in demand for Theta coins and consequently an increase in their price. Our analyst predicts that by the year 2030, Theta's price might skyrocket to an inciting $8 to $10 per coin. This forecast is based on the assumption that Theta Network will continue to evolve and improve its technology. In addition, if cryptocurrencies become more widely accepted as a means of payment, then this may lead to an increase in demand for Theta coins and their price. Looking even further, by the year 2035, Theta could potentially hit stratospheric highs, reaching a new all-time high price level of $15 to $30 per token. This forecast is based on the assumption that Theta Network will continue to grow in popularity and become one of the major players in the video streaming and decentralized data networks industry. Now, let's take a look at the Theta's sister token, TheFuel. TFUEL serves several important functions in the Theta Network ecosystem. First, it is used to pay for broadcasting and watching video content on the Theta Network platform. Users who give their computing resources and bandwidth to provide the Theta Network infrastructure are rewarded with TFUEL. Secondly, TFUEL serves as the gas in the Theta Network. Users cover transaction and smart contract fees in TFUEL. TFUEL currently ranks 116th in the CoinMarketCap rating with a capitalization of about $270 million. This asset has been in the process of consolidation for more than 360 days, having formed a price range from 0.0433 to 0.0751. After updating the price bottom to 0.0312 within the current descending structure, we can see an increase of more than 160% with a false exit from the price range to 0.0822 and a subsequent correction to the lower border of the range. As a result, there was a drop of more than 46%. Upon reaching the final phase of accumulation, we can observe a confident exit beyond the upper limit of the price range at 0.0751. a preliminary price rise to the upper border is possible, followed by a correction to the POC level. Growth can begin from that point on. After leaving the upper limit of the range, the next target will be the resistance level at 0.1146, with the possibility of correction or consolidation at this level. If this resistance level is overcome, we can expect the price to continue moving toward the next resistance level at 0.187. So what can we expect from TFUEL's price in the coming years? By 2025, we can predict that TFUEL price will fluctuate in the range of 0.05 to 0.1 per coin. This forecast is based on the current market capitalization of Theta Network and TFUEL, and the assumption that Theta continues to grow in popularity. Considering that TFUEL is a subsidiary coin of Theta Network and is used for gas and rewards, its price may be lower than that of the Theta coin itself. By 2030, the price of the TFUEL could reach 0.3 to 0.5 per coin. This forecast is based on the assumption that Theta Network continues to grow and be used in the video streaming and decentralized data networks. An increase in demand for Theta Network services may lead to an increase in demand for TFUEL coins, which may support their price growth. Looking even further into the future, by 2035 we can expect that the price of the TFUEL coin could increase to the level of 0.6 to $1 per coin. This forecast is based on the assumption that Theta Network develops successfully and is widely used in the video streaming industry and blockchain technologies. The increase in demand for TFUEL coins can be fueled by the growth of the Theta Network ecosystem and the increase in the use of the coin within the platform. We would like to remind you that price predictions are hard to make. Cryptocurrencies are being influenced by a lot of various factors. We can only suppose looking at the trends we witnessed today. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.